Today, let's talk about the financial state of the union. Now, there are some good things and there are some challenging things. So the question is, what is the state of our financial union? I would say the state is good, but challenged. So let's talk about some of the good things and then let's talk about some of the challenges. So last week it was reported that the fewest number of Americans were collecting unemployment benefits since any time since 1970, which as Omicron has waned, people have gotten back to work, there have been less government stimulus, and people are now going back to work. And that is good because although the unemployment rate ticked up slightly, we're still historically at a very good unemployment number of 4%. Corporate earnings, which is another sign that the market is looking for, corporate earnings were very robust in the fourth quarter and are expected to be a high here in the first quarter. We haven't seen all of the corporate earnings yet, but we've already seen a number of companies come out with some really fantastic numbers. So those are some of the good things. What are some of the challenges? And some of these challenges are depending on what side you sit on. The median home price rose last year to this year is up about 17%. So if you're a homeowner, that's good. If you're trying to buy a home, that may be a challenge. Now, if you live in the Phoenix area, median home prices went up about 38%. Used cars, the price of a used car is up 45%. The price of gas is up 35% from this time to last year. And the crude oil, a barrel of crude oil, is now hovering around $110. It has not been at that price since 2014. So those are certainly some of the challenges that we see. The question that we have to ask is, how do we move forward, right? What is it going to look like in the next quarter and the quarter after that and the quarter after that? We're still looking at inflation, we're still looking at interest rates, we're still watching for this escalation in Ukraine. But today, the Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, said that the Fed would be, quote, nimble when it comes to raising interest rates. The market's number one thing that it dislikes more than anything else, more than regulation, more than increased taxes, is uncertainty. So if there's certainty around how interest rates will rise, the market will react positively. If there's a little bit more certainty about what's going on around the world globally, if we see certainty, the market will react. So the state of our financial union is good with some challenges. If you have any questions on this, let me know. If not, I hope you make it a great week.